Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life conversation and story. Today's topic is what I do every Sunday. Sunday is a special day for many people. Some people relax at home. Some people spend time with family. Others enjoy hobbies, go shopping, or visit friends. Today, you will learn how to talk about your Sunday routine in simple English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Sunday vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Sunday. Repeat. Sunday. Weekend. Repeat. Weekend. Relax. Repeat. Relax. Family. Repeat. Family. Breakfast. Repeat. Breakfast. Clean. Repeat. Clean. Visit. Repeat. Visit. Park. Repeat. Park. Cook. Repeat. Cook. Rest. Repeat. Rest. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. Sunday is my favorite day. Repeat. Sunday is my favorite day. I relax with my family. Repeat. I relax with my family. We enjoy the weekend together. Repeat. We enjoy the weekend together. Very good. Talking about Sunday. Now, let's practice a simple conversation. Emma, what do you usually do on Sunday? Daniel, I usually wake up a little later than usual. Emma, do you have breakfast with your family? Daniel, yes. We always eat breakfast together. Emma, what do you do after breakfast? Daniel, we often go to the park or visit my grandparents. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I enjoy Sundays. Pause. I enjoy Sundays. I spend time with my family. Pause. I spend time with my family. We have breakfast together. Pause. We have breakfast together. Sunday is a relaxing day. Pause. Sunday is a relaxing day. Excellent. My Sunday morning. Now let's continue. Friend, what time do you wake up on Sunday? Emma, I usually wake up at 8 o'clock. Friend, what do you do first? Emma, I make my bed, brush my teeth, and help prepare breakfast. Friend, do you watch television in the morning? Emma, sometimes. But I usually read a book or listen to English lessons. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Olivia loves Sundays because they are peaceful. She wakes up at 8 o'clock and enjoys a slow breakfast with her family. After breakfast, everyone cleans the house together. Later, they visit a nearby park and take a relaxing walk. In the afternoon, Olivia reads a book and practices English for 30 minutes. In the evening, the family eats dinner together and prepares for Monday. Now answer these questions. What time does Olivia wake up? At 8 o'clock. What does the family do after breakfast? They clean the house together. Where do they go later? They visit a nearby park. What does Olivia practice in the afternoon? She practices English. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. Sunday is my favorite day. I relax with my family. We clean the house together. I enjoy reading on Sundays. I prepare for a new week. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your weekly routine, use the present simple tense. For example, I wake up at 8. I visit my grandparents. I read a book. I cook with my family. The present simple is used for things you do regularly. Practice it every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy every Sunday. I spend time with my family. I have a relaxing weekend. I practice English every Sunday. Sunday helps me prepare for a new week. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful Sunday vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about your Sunday routine in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to describe Sunday afternoon activities, talk about hobbies, make weekend plans, and continue improving your English through real-life conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful Sunday vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about our Sunday morning routine. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to talk about Sunday afternoon activities, hobbies, family time, and weekend plans in simple English. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Sunday afternoon activities. Sunday afternoon is a great time to relax and enjoy your hobbies. Listen carefully. I like reading books on Sunday afternoon. Repeat. I like reading books on Sunday afternoon. My family enjoys cooking together. Repeat. My family enjoys cooking together. We sometimes watch a movie after lunch. Repeat. We sometimes watch a movie after lunch. I often call my grandparents on Sunday. Repeat. I often call my grandparents on Sunday. Excellent. Conversation about Sunday hobbies. Emma. What do you usually do after lunch on Sunday? Daniel. I usually play football with my friends. Emma. That sounds fun. Do you have any other hobbies? Daniel. Yes. I also enjoy reading books and listening to music. Emma. That's wonderful. I like drawing and practicing English. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I enjoy my hobbies. Pause. I enjoy my hobbies. I spend time with my family. Pause. I spend time with my family. We have fun together. Pause. We have fun together. Sunday is a peaceful day. Pause. Sunday is a peaceful day. Very good. Visiting family. Friend. Do you visit your relatives on Sunday? Emma. Yes. We often visit my grandparents. Friend. What do you do there? Emma. We drink tea, talk together, and enjoy a delicious meal. Friend. Do your grandparents tell stories? Emma. Yes. I love listening to their stories. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Ryan enjoys spending every Sunday with his family. After lunch, they visit his grandparents' house. His grandmother cooks delicious food, and everyone eats together. After the meal, Ryan helps his grandfather water the plants in the garden. Later, the family sits outside, drinks tea, and talks about school, work, and future plans. Before going home, Ryan thanks his grandparents for the wonderful day. Now answer these questions. Where does Ryan go after lunch? He visits his grandparents. Who cooks the meal? His grandmother. What does Ryan help his grandfather do? He helps water the plants. What does the family do before going home? They sit together, drink tea, and talk. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I love spending Sundays with my family. I enjoy visiting my grandparents. We always have a wonderful time. Sunday is full of happy moments. Family time is important. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your weekly routine, use frequency words. For example, I always visit my grandparents. I usually read a book. I often go for a walk. I sometimes watch a movie. I never stay in bed all day. These words make your English sound more natural. Practice using them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. Sunday is a special day for me. I enjoy relaxing with my family. I make time for my hobbies. Every Sunday is full of happy memories. I'm ready for a new week. Fantastic work. Today you learned how to talk about Sunday afternoon activities, hobbies, family visits, and weekend routines. In Part 3, we will practice longer conversations, talk about Sunday evening activities, preparing for the new week, improving good habits, and learn more natural English expressions. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to talk about Sunday afternoon activities, hobbies, family visits, and relaxing on the weekend. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to talk about your Sunday evening, prepare for the new week, discuss your favorite weekend activities, and use more natural English expressions. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Sunday evening. Sunday evening is usually calm and relaxing. Listen to this conversation. Emma. How do you spend your Sunday evening? Daniel. I usually have dinner with my family. Emma. What do you do after dinner? Daniel. I prepare my school bag and review my lessons for Monday. Emma. That's a good habit. Daniel. Yes. It helps me start the new week with confidence. Excellent. Now repeat. I have dinner with my family. Pause. I have dinner with my family. I prepare for Monday. Pause. I prepare for Monday. I review my lessons. Pause. I review my lessons. Very good. Planning the new week. Friend, do you make plans on Sunday? Emma, yes. Every Sunday evening, I write my goals for the week. Friend, what kind of goals? Emma, I plan my homework, my English practice, and my exercise time. Friend, does it help you? Emma, yes. It keeps me organized. Wonderful. My favorite part of Sunday. Daniel, what is your favorite part of Sunday? Emma, I love the evening because everything is peaceful. Daniel, why? Emma, I can relax, read a book, and spend time with my family. Daniel, that sounds perfect. Emma, it helps me feel ready for Monday. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Emily enjoys every Sunday because it gives her time to relax and prepare for the week ahead. In the evening, she cleans her study desk and organizes her books. Then she checks her school schedule and packs everything she needs. After dinner, Emily spends 30 minutes reading an English story. She also writes a short journal about her weekend. Before going to bed, she thanks her parents for the wonderful day and sets her alarm for Monday morning. She sleeps early because she wants to wake up feeling fresh and ready. Now answer these questions. What does Emily clean? She cleans her study desk. What does she pack? She packs everything she needs for school. What has she read? An English story. Why does she sleep early? Because she wants to wake up fresh and ready for Monday. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I prepare for the new week. I organize my desk. I pack my school bag. I enjoy peaceful evenings. Sunday helps me feel ready. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your weekly routine, connect your ideas with simple linking words. For example, first, I clean my room. Then, I prepare my homework. After that, I read an English book. Finally, I go to bed early. These words make your English sound smoother and easier to understand. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy my Sunday evenings. I always prepare for Monday. I like spending time with my family. Sunday gives me time to relax. Every new week is a new opportunity. Fantastic work. Today, you practiced talking about Sunday evening activities, planning the new week, and describing your weekend routine using natural English. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about a perfect Sunday, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you confidently talk about your own Sunday routine in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, and improved your English through a simple story about a Sunday routine. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. What I do every Sunday. Hello, my name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about my Sunday routine. Sunday is my favorite day of the week because I have more time to relax, spend time with my family, and prepare for a new week. I usually wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. I do not rush because I don't have school on Sunday. After I wake up, I make my bed, wash my face, brush my teeth, and open the window to enjoy the fresh morning air. Then I help my mother prepare breakfast. We usually eat eggs, bread, fruit, and drink tea together. I enjoy talking with my family while we eat. After breakfast, we clean the house together. Everyone has a small job. My father cleans the living room. My mother organizes the kitchen. My brother waters the plants. I clean my bedroom and arrange my books. When we finish, our house feels fresh and comfortable. In the afternoon, I like to spend time doing my favorite hobbies. Sometimes I read an English story. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I practice speaking English by repeating simple conversations. If the weather is nice, my family and I go to the park. We enjoy walking, taking photos, and eating ice cream together. Sometimes we visit my grandparents. My grandmother always prepares delicious food, and my grandfather tells interesting stories about his childhood. I love listening to him because I always learn something new. In the evening, we have dinner together. After dinner, I prepare my school bag, organize my notebook, and check my schedule for Monday. I also write a short list of my goals for the new week. Before going to bed, I read an English book for 20 minutes. Reading helps me learn new vocabulary and improve my pronunciation. Finally, I set my alarm for Monday morning, brush my teeth, and go to bed around 10 o'clock. Sunday always makes me feel calm, happy, and ready for the week ahead. It reminds me that spending time with family, relaxing, and preparing for the future are all important parts of a happy life. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. What time does Sophia wake up on Sunday? She wakes up at 8 o'clock. What does the family do after breakfast? They clean the house together. What hobbies does Sophia enjoy? She enjoys reading English stories, listening to music, and practicing English. What does Sophia do before Monday? She prepares her school bag, checks her schedule, and writes her goals. Why does Sophia love Sundays? Because they help her relax, spend time with her family, and prepare for a new week. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. Sunday is my favorite day. I enjoy spending time with my family. I usually read an English book. I prepare for the new week. Sunday makes me feel relaxed. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. What time do you wake up on Sunday? What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you like to do in the afternoon? Do you visit your relatives on Sunday? How do you prepare for Monday? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. The more you practice speaking, the more confident your English will become. English learning tip. When talking about your weekly routine, use the present simple tense because you are describing habits. For example, I wake up at 8. I eat breakfast with my family. I read books on Sunday. I prepare for Monday. These simple sentences are used every day in real English conversations. Practice them often. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about your Sunday routine, describe your weekend activities, talk about family time and hobbies, use the present simple tense naturally, improve your English listening and speaking skills. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and never stop improving your English. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.